Hello guys, today I'll do doodle art on coronavirus. Like we all know, the whole world is suffering with COVID-19. So I'll have to give a message through this video that stay home, stay safe. So let's start sketching.
Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end.
Sketching is done. Now it's time to ink the sketch and make it cool.
Wanna change. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. I can help you out.
When you are inking, you must be sure to stay confident or else your line will be crooked.
I can help you out. I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to.
Inking is complete.
Wanna change, I can help you out.
The time to color the drawing.
I can help you out. 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 I can help you out.
I am trying to use more bright color because I want my drawing to look brighter.
Wanna change. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to.
Coloring is done and it look good. If you enjoy the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.